So this is what will happen if you let the plant mature on the actual plant stalk and let it dry out on its own. All of the little pods will unfurl and open, and all of the seeds will just pop right out. So all of these are empty. All the seeds have either fallen and gotten eaten up and gobbled up by critters, or are currently sitting in my garden waiting to turn into new plants next year. So if you want to collect the seeds and you want to move them to other parts in the garden or share them with friends, then definitely catch them before the little pods unfurl and open and then all the little seeds pop right out.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and maybe even subscribing. Thanks again for watching.